In today's video, we are going to be doing a purple look. I'm not sure, 100% sure where we're going with it because I never know, but we're gonna go with it. So let's figure it out together, okay? Hi, my name is Amanda, and if you're a mom and you like makeup, make sure you hit the subscribe button because that is what I am and what I do. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at these earrings. Aren't they cute? Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so today we're going to be using this Hip Dot Zion palette. I got this from BoxyCharm. Here's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I don't think I've ever used this palette on my eyeballs before, but we're going to do it today. Alright, so with this fluffy brush, I already have, I did my base earlier, obviously. Y'all can see this is not what I actually look like. I did not wake up like this. This, right here, this color, Sandstone, on a fluffy brush. For my transition shade, like when I do my makeup, I'm always kind of looking down. And I just follow the shape of my, I know you can't really see anything. For me, I just feel like it helps blend the shadows better whenever I have a neutral shade right here on my eyeball socket. That's the word. That's the word. I am following the shape of my eye socket. I'm going to try to do this pretty quickly because Samson is asleep. I am trying to get this done. And the other two are upstairs doing their quiet time. So, all right, so that same brush, I'm going to go into Wanderlust. I'm going to look it down. I'm putting this in my crease. And I kind of just follow the shape of my eyeball socket. No. Follow the shape of my eyeball. When you are blending your eyeshadows or putting your eyeshadows on, you want to make sure you're just using the bristles of the brush because it's really, that's going to help be able to blend the shadows better. So I'm just kind of placing and then blending out. You can always add more product onto your face. So I always tend to go really light-handed with my eyeshadows, and then I will build up to the desired pigment I want because it's easier to build up than to take away. And plus, I've already done my complexion first, so I do not want to have to restart it all. So we're trying to do good here today. I've decided I'm going to do like a purple smoky eye. So I'm doing something I've never done before. I bought these shadow bases off of the Shadows by Boss Cosmetics website. I got a black one and a white one. So I'm going to use this black, and we're going to use this for a base for our eyeshadow. And I'm pretty sure you don't need a lot. So like I said, we can build up. So let's see if this works. So when you put down, I'm just using a brush like this. I don't think my camera focuses, so sorry. I'm on my phone again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, oh, that's cold. Let's place this down. I'm not sure. I've never used an actual colored base before. And you're probably thinking like, why the heck is she putting a black down? Let me tell you, my friends. 1 second. I'm just kind of patting this down, by the way. We're just patting that down. And to try not to transfer it, I'm going to just keep my eyeball looking down like that. Taking a clean fluffy brush. Oh, I cleaned my brush head, by the way. Yay me. I'm just going to go back and forth right at the edge. Kind of just blend it out. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So we're just figuring this out together and hoping for the best, which is a pretty eye look. So this does not have to be perfect, honestly, because you're just going to put that shadow right on top. So the reason why I'm putting it on is so I can, anything you put on top of a darker base, it's going to make the color you're putting on top so much deeper and richer. So that is what we're going to do here. And I'm just grabbing my Avanti, right? Vasanti brush. And I'm going to dip, let's do a matte. It matches perfectly with these purple. Anyway, okay, we're going to go into the shade Whisper. Can you see? Whisper. Which I wish my kids would do because the baby is sleeping. And we're gonna just kind of put this right on top. I might go in with that other shade too on top because that looks like a really pretty purple. I had kind of a vision in mind, like a purple and gold look to match my earrings, but I just got those bases in today or yesterday, and I wanted to try this so bad. Oh, look, it looks pretty. That looks pretty. It's pretty. I like it. We're going to continue with it. And I think I'm going to, just because I want to, I'm going to try this Surreal shade right on top of that too. let's just go for it. As Bailey Sarian says, it's just, I know I mentioned Bailey a lot, don't I? I'm sorry. Like I said, I've binge watched all of her episodes, all of her videos, and I love her. I think I love her more than Tati, and that's saying something because I love Tati too. So I just placed that right on top. I like that. I like that a lot. Yay! I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy. So I'm going to do my other eye, and I will be right back. You guys, so I'm sitting here snacking. If you follow me on TikTok, I do have a TikTok. I'll upload all my social media soon at one point, whenever I can. Anyway, that's the point. So what I'm telling you guys is I'm late to trends. I always do this. I don't like to follow trends. I don't know why. Anyway, I don't, but I finally hopped onto the very late trend of the bell pepper, everything bagel seasoning and cream cheese thing. This is what I'm snacking on. It is so good. Have you tried this? Let me know in the comments below. And I don't think I ever finished saying what Bailey Sarian says. If we don't like what we are putting on our faces, it's just makeup. It washes off. She says that all the time, and it's very true. Makeup is really it's an art. It's therapy for a lot of people, and it's your face, so wear whatever you want to wear. Who cares what anybody else says? Am I right? I know I'm right. You do what makes you happy. Oh, I didn't tell you what this is. This is the Precision Gel Eyeliner from Because Cosmetics. It's in the shade Plumful. So the shade I'm taking is Whisper, which is that first purple shade we put here. And I'm taking this detailed brush from Royal and Langnickel and kind of just placing it. So I was watching this video that Brandon Ferris. If you don't know who Brandon Ferris is and you like to laugh, you should probably go follow him because he's funny. I like him. Anyway, so I was watching his news video, and his girlfriend just had a baby, and they kept that a secret. They kept that a secret, and it was a really good secret because I don't know, it was good for them. You know what I mean? Anyway, so he was like, I'm filming for my girlfriend since she just pooped out a baby. So he was doing, the makeup face. He was like, I'm going to do my Robert De Niro face now. I'm like, that's exactly right. It's so funny. And I try not to do it, but I can't help it. How do y'all do your makeup without making those faces? I can't. I try, and I can't do it. All right, so now with a smaller, fluffy brush, this one is the Morphe M456, M44056, M456, whatever. I don't know. I got it in a bundle set, and it was super expensive. I won't do that again. Because I honestly don't even like the white-tipped Morphe brushes. They're kind of rough, and they fray so bad. But I haven't thrown any of mine away. Because I have a problem. I feel like I have an easier time getting rid of everything else. But when it comes to anything dealing with my makeup, I can't. I don't. Why? Why am I like this? Why am I like this? And I feel like I need more brushes too, which is crazy insane because even though I don't have as many as like a lot of people in the makeup business and anybody else that I'm associated with, I still have a lot of brushes, more than I use, and I feel like I still need more. Why? Why is it like this? Why am I like this? All right, so I'm going to pop in an inner corner highlight, hopefully, because it never works out for me. This used to be my favorite. I got this in BoxyCharm a long time ago. This is Ofra Highlighter Rodeo Drive. I'm going to take this little pencil guy right up in there, knock off any excess, and hopefully I could do this in the camera because I can't do it in the camera either. All right, with this bigger, fluffier brush, the Morphe 501, I'm gonna put more. I feel like it is needed. And it kind of went away. I did some earlier. I've had my base on for quite a while. It's been a day where I can't get anything done. All right, with this Morphe 506 brush, this is all the same Ofra highlighter. Oh, we're gonna go right here at the brow bone. Hopefully this turns out because I am holding him with my bad arm. I've hurt my shoulder somehow after giving birth to him, and there's nothing I could do because I'm breastfeeding. So, all right, so I'm taking the faux. Can you hear me over him? I hope so. Hopefully I don't poke my eyeball out. You got something to say? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna try to put him down real fast, and we'll try to put this eyelashes mascara on. 1 sec. He said no to that idea, so we're gonna do this in hopes I don't poke my eyeballs out. All right, I went ahead and put on lashes. This lash always gives me an issue, so if it's not on all the way, just ignore it, okay? Ah! All right, so let's go ahead and do the lips. We're almost done. This is the Bodyography Barely There Lip Pencil. So with the lips, I'm not stupid. Barely there, stupid. So I just kind of start off making kind of like an X here. You can't really see it. I'm sorry, I can't get like really close because oh, he's gonna eat it. He's gonna, hey, oh, it's attached to my ear. It had to come out. I would like to keep my left ear. I'm not Vincent Van Gogh or anything, you know what I mean? All right, so I'm taking this Liquid Cat Suit by Wet n Wild, and it's called Cedar Later. And I'm just gonna place it right on in here. And hopefully it's not a sloppy job, because I can't. I'm looking in the camera, and I cannot see very well. I lied about the lashes. They were getting on my nerves. They just looked janky in all the photos I was trying to take. So I'm just like, I'm over it. So I just plastered on the mascara. I just plastered on the mascara, and now this is our final look. It's just been a time starting this video. Yesterday was a good day with the kids, but today is just crazy. I'm ready for this retro. Oh my God. I'm ready for the Mercury in retrograde to be just over, because it is just making everybody crazy in this house. I feel like I need a bolder lip, but I'm done. We're done with this. But I still love how this eyeshadow turned out. I love the Shadows by Boss Cosmetics base. I think I only paid, I don't know, $5 or $8 for this. And look, there's a lot of product in this. This is gonna go a long way. And then I got the white one to try that out. So the white's gonna make your eyeshadow pop like brighter. This makes everything deeper. So I'm excited to try that out. And I think that this is it. This is for real it. I'm going to go retake my pictures without the lashes because I just couldn't get a good picture. I couldn't. It was just awful. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember to always be kind and nice. Even though those are the two same things, but just be nice, okay? Be a nice person and have a great day. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.